To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located under the paneling. Remove the push pins by taking a flathead screwdriver and prying the middle locking pin up first, before prying the base. Once all the pins are removed, pull the front panel straight up to remove it. Disengage the fasteners. Remove the filter tray. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray. Once installed, insert the tray into the housing and re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the cover by aligning the tabs and slide to lock it into place. Replace the top panel by aligning it with the rivet holes.
Reinstall the push pins, pressing down on the center piece to lock them into place.
Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.